Alright, on the chase for the 55 points in the middle. Okay, can they get that focus?
Okay, it seems like one of the parts for Undercount drone is not actually, they are switching parts now. That's going to take time a little bit, but hopefully, that's going to help them to actually promote it.
And one takes off. Okay.
It's 3 minutes, 3 minutes. We'll give us a minute.
Right, up.
So close. I think a little bit off in terms of, pictures really there.
Trying to go for the easy points more than backwards. Knocked it over instead. So you go and pick it up.
Cheers all around here at the side events.
5 minutes on the clock.
Here we go. Alright, here comes the reset. I think the goal right now is almost 10, right?
Now, Rebels has gone to the vortex in the last minute.
Come back to the bottom.
Interesting. Usually not.
It does seem like the vortex is a little bit weird, so I'm fine with it.
Absolutely right. So the difficulty of vortex corresponds to the points that you get from it as well. And vortex, you can actually kind of know 165 in total if you separately complete all the balls.
Yeah, and the results are very